If you're experiencing billing issues on Snapchat, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Log into your account settings and review the payment information associated with your Snapchat account. Step 2. Review purchase history. Access your purchase history within the app to identify any discrepancies or unauthorized charges. This can help you pinpoint the source of the billing problem. Step 3. Update app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance and security. Step 4. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Snapchat support. Use the in-app support feature or visit the Snapchat website to submit a support request detailing your billing issue. Step 5. Monitor account activity. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account activity for any further discrepancies. Regularly check your payment methods and transaction history to ensure everything is in order. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems on Snapchat. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.